breaking a 20-year record, a union cabinet minister, Narayan Rane, was arrested in Mumbai today. He was arrested for his slap Thackeray comment. Now, high drama has ensued on the streets of Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra, as it has in the corridors of power, as Narayan Rane was taken away by the Mumbai police while he was apparently eating a meal. The Shiv Sena has demanded his resignation. The BJP has called it vendetta politics. Here's the full report.
एक मिनट सैम चौथा एक मिनट और सैम चौथा पथक निघालाय अटॅक होणार का नॉर्मल माणूस वाटला काय तुम्हाला आणि त्यावेळेला मी असतो तरला क्राईम होत नाही असं बोललो असतो मी आता कानफाड पुढे ना क्राईम आहे.
Cabinet Minister and ex-Chief Minister Narayan Rane arrested in Sangameshwar, Maharashtra. The provocation, statements by Rane, a former Shiv Sainik, where he had said he would have slapped Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray for checking with his aides to confirm a date and the number of years since independence. The arrest triggered a fresh battle between the allies turned opponents. Interestingly, the BJP's Devendra Fadnavis said he didn't support Rane's comments, but compared the police action to the Taliban.
त्या पोलीस आयुक्तांना सांगून देतो, आमच्या कार्यालयावर ज्यांनी हल्ला केला त्यांच्यावर कारवाई केली नाही तर आम्ही दोन्ही विरोधी पक्षनेते त्या पोलीस आयुक्ताच्या कार्यालयासमोर जाऊन त्या ठिकाणी आंदोलन करू. कायद्याचं राज्य असलं पाहिजे, तालिबान नाही आहे, कायद्याचं राज्य असलं पाहिजे.
Before the arrest, there were clashes.
Politics really playing out on the ground here. You can see the Sena supporters have been stopped by the police. The BJP supporters also stopped by the police.
Stones being hurled, police in riot gear. All of this is Juhu, home to India's biggest stars. As BJP and Sena, two old allies, now rivals, took their battle to the streets. The clash boiled over after the Sena's youth wing turned up at Rane's house in Juhu, where Rane's supporters were present. Soon, a clash on the streets. The police had to use lathis to prevent the situation from deteriorating. The Sena says they responded to Nitesh Rane's dare after his father's comments and challenged him to come out and face them.
हम शिव सैनिक हैं, आक्रामकता ये हमारी डीएनए में है. हम भी जानते हैं हमारी सरकार है, इसलिए पिछले 1-1.5 साल से आप देख सकते हैं कि कोई मीडिया के द्वारा, कोई टीवी एंकर के द्वारा हमें इंस्टिगेट करने की कोशिश की गई, लेकिन सारे शिव सैनिक, युवा सैनिक शांत थे. लेकिन अगर कोई हमारे सांप पर हमला करने की बात करे तो मैंने कहा वैसे आक्रामकता ये शिवसेना का डीएनए है, वो कोई बदल नहीं सकता.
The Nasik police registered an FIR against Rane on the complaint of a Sena leader. Ministers in the state government said Rane had crossed the line.
जिस तरह से केंद्रीय मंत्री नारायण राणे जी मुख्यमंत्री के प्रति भाषा का उपयोग कर रहे हैं, थप्पड़ मारने की बात कर रहे हैं, हमें लगता है ये मुख्यमंत्री का अपमान नहीं, महाराष्ट्र की जनता का अपमान है.
Not just Mumbai, but Sena held protests elsewhere too. In Nasik, Sena workers pelted stones at the BJP office.
The BJP and the Shiv Sena are likely to contest against each other in a bitterly fought BMC election in Mumbai scheduled early next year. With Narayan Rane's arrest, the political temperatures in the state have soared as the animosity between the Sena and the BJP continues to grow. In Mumbai, with camera person Praveen Ji Rohit, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.